Welcome back to Venice at the Venice Art Biennale 2019 preview, dubbed May You Live in Interesting Times. And aren't we living in interesting times indeed, with all the changes in the world? This year, we're so excited to see artists from around the world conveying expression, what they think is change, what they think is interesting in our times. We'll take you around from Arsenale to Giardini to the different palazzos and do a few interviews.
I'm curator for the Philippine Pavilion. The project is called Island Weather. And the piece by Mark Justiniani is called Archipelago. Archipelago because obviously it takes from the islands of the Philippines. Archipelago is comprised of 3 large steel, glass, and frame structures, and you can walk on the glass surfaces. And that's where this sense of wonder is reignited. So we want viewers to experience that, to experience this what I call a visuality that is rooted in a very local context, which is the Philippines.
And now here we are with the artist, Mark.
The title of the piece is called Archipelago. And we have 3 main modules. And the 3 main modules represent, one is mostly from the provinces, and the other talks about the capital and the power centers. And the other one talks about an impending cyclone, an upcoming cyclone, and there is an observatory wherein you can view the weather from the top.
How long did it take you to put together this installation, and how many people did it with you?
4 or 5 months, but there's so many people involved. I think there was a time when we had to manage about 50 people.
Congratulations, and wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Right in the middle of Giardini now, and yeah, you've guessed it, change of costume, sunny yesterday, rainy today, and it's heaving now, it's rolling. We're drinking a bit, gallery, pavilion hopping, and hobnobbing with everybody.